Have you ever felt like you're not quite living the life you've always dreamed of? Well, guess what? You have the incredible power to shape your own destiny. It all begins with the magnificent tool nestled inside your skull, your mind. This is all about tapping into the extraordinary power of your mind. It's like having a superpower you didn't even know you had. At the heart lies a deceptively simple practice: visualization. So, what's visualization all about? It's essentially a journey into the realm of your imagination, where you can craft a mental picture of what you want to achieve. Picture this. You want to attract more abundance into your life. Well, start by conjuring up a mental image of yourself bathing in a downpour of money, or perhaps living in a luxurious mansion. The key here is to be as specific and vivid as possible. Why is specificity so crucial? Imagine you're an artist, and your mind is the canvas. The more intricate and detailed your mental picture, the more vibrant and powerful your visualization becomes. It's like painting with the colors of your dreams. But here's the kicker. Visualization alone won't cut it. You can't just sit in your room daydreaming about that mansion and expect it to materialize. No, my friend, you've got to take action in the real world. To manifest your heart's desires, you need to roll up your sleeves and dive into the physical realm. That means taking tangible steps toward your goals. Whether it's expanding your network, honing your skills, or crafting a rock-solid business plan, it's about turning your dreams into reality through concrete actions. When you seamlessly blend your vivid mental images with real-world action, that's where the magic happens. You're not just dreaming, you're doing. The power to shape our lives lies within our own minds. By harnessing the art of visualization and infusing it with decisive real-world action, you can craft the life you truly desire. So what are you waiting for? It's time to unlock your potential and embark on the journey of a lifetime. In the realm of personal growth, there's a gem of wisdom that shines brightly: the transformative might of positive thinking. The thoughts and beliefs we hold have a profound impact on the course of our lives. Cultivating a positive mindset serves as the North Star, guiding us toward abundance and success. But how do we navigate this path of positive thinking? It all begins with self-awareness. You've got to be in tune with your thoughts, my friend. Notice when that inner critic pipes up, or when those limiting beliefs try to hold you back. It can be a bit of a wrestling match at first, especially if you're accustomed to the constant hum of negative self-talk. However, with a bit of practice, you can be the master of your thoughts. One effective tool in your arsenal is the use of affirmations. These are like little power-packed declarations that you repeat to yourself throughout the day. They're your mental boosters, reminding you of your strength, resilience, and endless potential. But positive thinking isn't just about sugarcoating reality. It's about taking responsibility for your own narrative. We're not mere victims of circumstance. No, we're the authors of our own stories. By embracing this responsibility for our thoughts and actions, we gain the steering wheel to navigate the twists and turns of life. Spirituality is another cornerstone. Each of us is intricately connected to a higher power, and by nurturing this spiritual bond, we can unlock our true potential and attain unprecedented levels of success and fulfillment. So, how do you explore this spiritual terrain? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's a deeply personal journey. Some find solace and connection through meditation, while others discover it in the serenity of nature or in the act of giving back through volunteering. The key is to find practices that resonate with your soul, ones that make you feel like you're a part of something greater, something beyond the confines of your individual existence. In a world bustling with distractions and the cacophony of everyday life, it's an invitation to tap into our own inner reservoirs of potential, to craft lives that brim with abundance, success, and a profound sense of purpose. Visualize your dreams, stay positive, own your actions, and nurture that spiritual side. By following these ideas, you're opening the door to a world of endless possibilities, filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Just remember, it's a journey. So be patient with yourself and keep at it. Your dream life is waiting.